Hola bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen, here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Nani niyazi bafethu, angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba no?
Sho bafethu kunjani? Ujuju lo JU nothing less nothing more kuphelele lapho.
Awu bakithi, JU.
Showcase.
Faka Juju.
Agidu yazi nawe.
Yeah, man. On today's episode, we'll be looking into a game Pirates ne Sundowns. That was the biggest game weekend. Yeah. We played it draw, 1-1. In fact, there is a lot to say. I don't think we'll cover everything in one video. There's a lot to say in this game.
Yeah.
There is a lot to say. But yeah, to start off with, let's start with what do you make of the game?
Honestly, I'm quite
okay.
All
right. What went wrong?
Because I was actually counting another win. I wanted us to add from our streak of wins.
Yeah.
And the judging or looking at Sundowns form recently, I was sure we're winning this game.
Yeah.
I was convinced that we were winning. So as much as we did not lose, I'm quite happy still. Got all in all, great game. I think we had a good game. Had a beautiful game. Beautiful football as always. Paris plays beautiful football. Yeah. All in all, mhlambe game ngasho but it's a good game.
Okay.
I can't take that away from
let's do this.
Yeah.
Now that we dealt with the results, performance-wise, you're saying that we're good. Let's get into individual players.
Yeah.
I don't want us to look at a Pirates player, obviously, right now, because we are Pirates fans. So I mean, we will look at Pirates, but we'll touch on the Sundowns as well.
Yeah.
I want us to look at the performance of Pirates from the first minute. Okay. Iqale kanjani Pirates ngokwakho?
Honestly speaking, we didn't start well.
Yeah.
We started okay, but we did not start well.
Yeah.
First half, Sundowns was hope. Sundowns was trying by all means to score first. I think that's the reason why they ended up scoring first. Because they tried by all means to score first. And I think their fear was high in such a way that they wanted to try to bury the game early. So first half we played. Surprisingly, we played because it could have been worse. Looking at the fact that in our midfield we only had new players. Obviously, Nduli is new, but he plays all games. Nemtajela as well, the coach's favorite. No, and then there was Utanzini. So if you see the trio there, all new players. So given that, I think we played well. But Sundowns was playing a little bit better than us on the first half.
Yes.
On the second half, we were all gun blazing. I think I don't know what happened because we could have easily won the game there in the early minutes of the second half.
Okay.
So all in all, the game we played well. Played slightly poorly in the first half, and then very much well on the second half.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I hear you. I want us to touch on the Pirates that they impose themselves on the Mamelodi Sundowns, because in Mamelodi Sundowns, with all due respects to all the teams, because they've taken the league 8 times in a row. So they're like more like a blueprint of South African football right now. Yes, we are there, and it's good that we give them that competition. But in my opinion, I see now just a slight shift of Orlando Pirates edging the Sundowns. I know what is the results are saying that we're just having a draw. So a draw, you would say that yes, but in terms of matching a Sundowns, I know Sundowns had players, crucial players. In fact, in your Umqwen, Yes, that is important. But it's the third draw in a row. You know, it's a game of two halves. In fact, all the time when we play, it's a game of two halves. As you were saying, Uti, first half, ngasho ukuthi it was belonging to Sundowns. Not that Pirates was not there.
No, we're there.
But
we were competing, but Sundowns was slightly better than us.
But another thing that you mentioned that I like is the fact that Sundowns now have fear. And it's not something that we used to see with Sundowns. Hence, we are saying that they are a blueprint. So, if blueprint, ibuka at the back and realize, hey, it looks like it looks like these people are actually with us. We're on the same level now. You know? Yes. Obviously, cup wise, when it comes to the league, we cannot show, but that's what we are working towards. That's why we look like we are matching them now. You know.
In a sense, actually, we are not even matching them.
Yes.
We are. I think we are above now, because the only cup we are not competing in, of which I believe we are still going to come back, it's CAF Champions League. It's CAF. You know, when you mention CAF, I said this before. You must mention the Champions League, not the Confederation.
By the way, Star is not something.
So the only competition we are not competing in is CAF Champions League. Yes. All the other domestic cups are still there.
And we are in the semi-finals of the Black Label right now.
Black Label is standard. That's why we are taking that one. Then there's other competitions that we are going to compete in. Sundowns is not in Black Label. M10-8, we won M10-8. So they're only competing the league, of which Orlando Pirates is going to take the league.
But what I don't like with the people laying at favor Sundowns, in terms of indlela eyona, it's the fact that people they just say Orlando Pirates is a cup team. Yes, we're a cup team, but it's not that's only the thing we are capable of. You get what I'm saying?
But the end of the season is going to show that.
Exactly.
The end of the season.
Because Sundowns is like hiding with the league only now. Yeah.
Because that's the only thing they win. I said to one of the Sundowns supporters, one of my friends, Uzet, shout out to Kainis for that. Uzet, you can't be celebrating, and Utamis, I think I told Utamis as well. So you can't be celebrating in league.
Our new sponsors.
You know, guys, come on. What's there to celebrate? We need Where's the Caps? Where's the Caps? We must have something. Man, we need at least to play table or something. One cup, you know, to show that your team is performing, your team is dominant. You can't be dominant for a cup or a league. So
no, but it's important to you take something every season. That's what big teams do. You don't go 10 years without
winning anything.
I'm not. You get what I'm saying? So yes, it may look normal. Sundowns takes the league every season, but it's not normal actually. Because as soon as they go on a streak and not performing with league, you will realize that it was important that they were taking the league. You know? Yeah. So I think that's that. But Mamelodi Sundowns, I still feel good. They haven't replaced Urepero. What's your take on that?
Yeah, because that guy was very crucial. That guy knows football. That guy plays football.
Bogazi is famous today because he marked that
guy. So it's gonna take some time. I don't know. Maybe their new players are still trying to connect and fight.
But okay, let's talk about the direct replacement. Nuno Santos even took his number, or number 10. Nuno Santos. Do you think he's the one to replace Urepero?
Bro, Santos is a good player. Excuse me. He knows football and he plays well, but not at Ribero's level. Because we saw him yesterday. He was playing, but Ribeiro had the speed, had the passes, had everything. That guy had everything as a
Yeah.
player. You know, everything that it's very uncommon for a player to have everything like
Yeah,
Ribeiro.
he's a
As
Brazilian.
yeah, as a
Expect
Brazilian. So you know,
You'd expect it.
as a midfielder, Sundowns has 2 goals. We have 1.
Mm,
You understand?
yeah,
There's crosses. There's a beautiful cross from
yeah.
Ribeiro. There's a pass. There's
Mm,
an assist from Ribeiro. So it's gonna take them time to replace him. But for now, with Santos, I don't think they've replaced him.
yeah. Now what Santos is, he drops deep.
Mm.
He's a little bit slow
Yeah.
compared to Ribeiro. Ribeiro carries the ball sometimes. That's his one of his traits.
Yeah.
Carries the ball forward. He draw the defenders into him and then release the pass.
Yeah.
That is not what Nuno is offering to Sundowns right now.
Mm.
So I think that's where we're trying to get at when it comes to that. Yeah.
But then with their poor performance, they played yesterday. They showed that they are playing with a big team.
Mina,
You know,
Mina,
Obodiba,
Mina,
they
I'm,
played.
I'm, I'm crying out about the I don't know who decides the ball possession.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the passes. I don't know.
Yeah.
Someone will say maybe it's because he's a Pirates fan. But
Mm.
hey, I saw us winning every first and second ball
Yeah.
echo grounding.
Everything actually.
Yes.
You know.
Namte Jela, that's where he's important. Hey man,
Yeah.
that guy. I know what we're crying out about Tobombata. Yes, Mbata is a good player.
Ombule.
Bombole, but hey, that guy, he gives us something in comparison no Kante with Chelsea
Yeah.
during
He
his
is
Chelsea
that kind of a
days.
player.
Yeah,
Actually. We
you,
are defending his
uh,
there. We are attacking
he's
his
there.
there. In midfield where he plays, he's
He's
there.
there.
He's winning the ball. That's why we're dominating in
Yeah,
midfield. If you're
true.
dominating in midfield in a game,
Mina
that means you're
blame coach
dominating
wami
in
ngokuba
the game.
nokuba ne-favorite club.
Yeah.
Yeah, but touching on coach Sesivala,
Mm.
what do you make of our coach? Because he seems to be surprising us a lot.
Hey.
Uh,
As much as I'm a Orlando Pirates fan and I'm a supporter,
yeah,
a diehard fan of supporter of the team, I think
mm,
this might be weird, but I like his confidence. That
yeah,
guy is giving me confidence about Hugo Bruce,
yes,
whereby the whole of the country
mm,
saying, do this, do that, and then he does his own thing. He
yeah,
wins us games.
true.
It takes us
That
to
that's
competitions.
important. That's
It
important.
takes us to World Cup. It takes us to AFCON. It takes us everywhere.
True.
Whereas we're complaining, hey, you don't play
Yeah.
Banban. You don't pick certain players off a certain team.
Mm.
You know, you don't pick Banbani. He did not care. He just did what he did,
He
and then
thought
he
is
right.
yes is
Then he
right
gave
for the
us
game.
results. That's what
Yeah.
I'm picking from
Yeah.
Uwado. Uwado is doing what he thinks is
Mm.
right, and in a way, it works
Another
for
thing
him. It works
is
for
a
us.
good tactician. Now, for
Exactly.
Kamamanga, if you are an Orlando Pirates fan, I know what the fans as fans will react on what is happening right now.
Yeah.
You know, but he's a very good tactician. That guy can read the game and change the game. Substitute in Jayenza. Yes, yesterday I won't lie to you. That game, my players that lost that game for me. Ama-substitutions akho ungakhuluma ngawo and even speak about what you were saying that we think Tina is favorable. Fakumbule, Fakumbata. That's favorable for us. Yes. But remember that Coach Pela is there to make those decisions anyway.
Tough decisions.
Whether we like them or we don't, but he's there for that. You know? So I would just like to urge my friends, the Pirates, would give him time.
Yeah.
Give him time because the way he is building that team, I think a team that will see a lot of dominance in the future. That's my feeling.
That's facts. That's facts.
Yes. And it can't just get right with one goal. He will always try and chop and change here and there, but you see the direction.
Yeah.
We didn't lose that game. In fact, when last did we lose a game?
I need to about that's why it felt like a loss to me because I was expecting a win. But anyway, good results.
Because
even we're playing
I'm go to coach when there a wrong change or whatever the case may be. Remember, we had two open chances. I would say they are open. Hoto. Siema. What else do you want the coach? Or would coach again a ground in Kubo, yeah, no, or convert those changes?
After that, Hoto's normal. I saw every fan complaining. Hey, I'm tired of Hoto. This is why I don't like Hoto. I hate Hoto. Hey, but that one, that one would buried the game there and there.
And what I like about the coach, he improves players. You see, there are players which they are accustomed to playing a certain way. But that coach improves players. I won't lie to you. You will see that one day.
Another thing that made me forgive Usiema in a short time, because I remember at Ipela, this guy's a defender.
Yeah.
So as much as he's a defender, you see maybe did not have that idea. Okay, let me just give it to Morem. Morem is free and he's always scoring. He scores. He's used to it. So maybe wanted to have that hunger to win us
for himself.
But and win the team the game.
Yeah, I think maybe it's also a lesson, Uti. Because another thing you should consider is that Agajwayel in those positions. He gets excited because of yes, but because it's a lesson for him. Next time, let me calm down. And maybe I have options. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Otherwise, guys, don't forget to do the right thing. The right thing is liking,
comment, subscribe, share on Facebook, share on Twitter, share on Instagram, share on X, share on TikTok, share with your girlfriend, with your boyfriend, with your sister, with your brother, with your family. Also share with your ex. Yeah.
I'll see you on another one.
Okay.